Hi again mga ka-home buddies, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. So bali, itong video na to is nakunan ko to when we went to Cebu sa Cebu Safari. So for those guys na nagtatanong kung ano ang video na to. So dito mag-feed kayo or pwedeng mag-feed si bird dito. Tingnan nyo. Ang saya lang kasi yung mga anak ko. Oh. So cute. So, tingnan mo, oh, ang saya lang kasi they are able to enjoy the birds, the, 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 the happiness that we can see to this kid. Oh, tingnan mo, ito yung pangalawang anak ko. Tapos ito naman yung panganay ko na lalaki. So, they are just really happy. At least they have a good memories with their kids, and alam ko naman as a parents, all of us are wanting ng magandang buhay, and I hope you guys, regardless of what job you have or malaki man o maliit ang sweldo, you just have to look for a way na magkaroon ng fun memory yung kids ninyo. Kasi when I was a kid, I don't really have this much memory in my mind na nagkaroon ako ng mga ganito. Although I do understand because my parent doesn't have that huge money to send us to this kind of place. Of course, since meron naman kami to do that or capacity to do that, so why not give them the chance to have this. Enjoy little things. Thank you for watching.